From self-driving cars to smart assistants, AI is everywhere these days. But have you ever wondered who invented it and how? Well, today we're going to uncover the untold history of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through time to explore the origins of this revolutionary technology and the brilliant minds that made it possible. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the fascinating story of AI. It all started with a simple question: can machines think? For centuries, this question had only been the realm of science fiction. But in the mid-20th century, it began to be taken seriously by some of the brightest minds in computer science. One of the first to explore the possibility of thinking machines was Alan Turing, a British mathematician and one of the pioneers of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. He proposed the famous Turing test in 1950 as a way to determine whether a machine could be said to think. The test, which has become a staple of AI lore, involves a human evaluator engaging in natural language conversations with both a human and a machine. If the evaluator cannot reliably tell the difference between the two, then the machine is said to have passed the test and, by extension, be thinking. Another early proponent of AI was Marvin Minsky, an American cognitive scientist and co-founder of the MIT AI lab. Minsky believed that it was only a matter of time before machines could not only think, but also learn and adapt like humans. These early pioneers laid the groundwork for what would become one of the most transformative technologies of our time. Fast forward to today, and AI is everywhere, from the smartphones in our pockets to the cars we drive. But the journey from theory to reality was a long and winding one. In the early days, progress was rapid, with many breakthroughs happening within a few years of each other. In 1956, for example, a program called Logic Theorist was able to prove a number of mathematical theorems on its own, demonstrating the power of symbolic AI. Then in 1959, another program called the General Problem Solver showed that machines could be programmed to solve a variety of problems using a common-sense approach. However, as the field of AI matured, progress slowed. One of the reasons for this was a lack of computing power. The computers of the 1950s and 60s were simply not powerful enough to handle the complex calculations required for true AI. This led to a period known as the AI winter in the 1970s, when funding and interest in the field dried up. But the pioneers of AI were not deterred. They continued to work on the problem, and in the 1980s, they made some major breakthroughs. One of the most important was the development of machine learning, a technique that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This was a major shift in the field of AI, and it led to a new wave of interest and investment. Today, machine learning is behind many of the AI applications we use every day, including smart assistants, recommendation systems, and image recognition software. The development of machine learning also led to the creation of deep learning, a more advanced form of AI that uses multiple layers of processing to analyze data. Deep learning has achieved state-of-the-art results in a number of areas, including image classification, natural language processing, and speech recognition. The future of AI is exciting, with researchers working on everything from self-driving cars to AI-powered healthcare. It's clear that AI is not just the stuff of science fiction anymore. It's a powerful tool that can be used to solve some of the world's most challenging problems. At the end of the day, the history of AI is a story of human ingenuity. From the early pioneers who first had the idea of creating thinking machines to the researchers of today who are making it a reality. One thing is clear: the pursuit of AI has pushed the boundaries of what's possible and has led to some truly remarkable innovations. Who knows what the future will hold, but one thing is for sure: the story of AI is far from over. So there you have it, the untold history of artificial intelligence. We hope you enjoyed learning about the origins of this fascinating technology and the brilliant minds that made it possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative and entertaining videos. And as always, thank you for watching. Until next time, keep thinking.